this is a pop question for you. If I have, let's say, 1,000 alumni, 10,000 contacts, I don't have that much time to clean up everybody. Would you tell me, like, if someone was saying, like, I've got a data quality problem, would you tell them to focus on alumni first? Would you tell them, like, that should be, like, in a subgroup, like, with certain clients? Like, how would you even go about starting a project like that?
Yeah, well, so it depends is the answer. We start with a strategy. And so the first part of what we typically do involves some consulting to really figure out where's the low-hanging fruit, where are you going to get the most bang for your data quality buck, so to speak. And part of that, we usually focus on key mailing lists and top clients. And alumni could easily be in both groups. And so you would cover some of them there. And, and then it just depends on the firm's priority, whether alumni is top of mind at that time.